All right, as usual, every single project, a trip to Home Depot. All right, what do you think? Okay, so $150, well, $59, actually $160 later, I've got this Schlage keypad, and I'm hoping that this is exactly what I need. So let's go ahead and open her up, if it'll open up. When I was there, every single one of these boxes was torn. So I don't know what the heck is going on. Let's see what we got here. I think I'm gonna turn it upside down. And just kind of pull it out. All right, so there we go. And here's our box. And I do believe, yeah, this is how it opens up. Check it out. Okay, there we go. So far, so good. All right, so here it is. I don't want you seeing the codes, but this is the keypad. And underneath here is the secret code for this specific keypad. So you need that, don't lose it. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right, so here's our door latch. All right, it's gonna go like that on the door. So it's basically exactly the same as this one almost. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, see, basically the same, right? Pretty much, I think. Okay, now let's see what we got. Oh, here's our pad, and let's take a look at the pad. This is the new one, and here is our old one. So actually, that's the top. All right, you see that? So basically, that's the exact same thing, right? You're gonna need all this stuff. Oops. I'm just gonna set it there. There's grease on some of this stuff, so be careful. All right, so that's the box. Put it over there. So here you have it. Look. Here's our device, and check it out. I mean, pretty much same, right? This is the old one. Set it over there. That's the new one. I mean, these are basically exactly the same. This is all the new stuff here. All right, so let's see what's in here. All right, so anyway, inside of this box, you're gonna find all these components. Number one, you're gonna get a key, so that you can't unlock it in case the battery dies. Right there's where it goes, all right? Then you're gonna also get this special little thingamabob here, which I don't know what it does. We're gonna have to read the directions. Here is the actual, bar that locks your door. It slides in the nook and I don't know what the fuck this is called, but anyway, there it is. And then this thing is your faceplate that you can put on if you need to. And then you got 4 screws, 2 here, and these 2 screws, which are gonna go here and here. And this is your back plate that's on the inside of your door. And this is your face plate that goes against the door. And then this will set on top of it like that, okay? That sets on top of it like that. This is where your battery terminal is. That's where you hook your battery up. And then also, there should be a little connector in here somewhere. Oh, there it is, right here. So this right here, we've got to connect this to this, all right? It follows me? So this is kind of like pushed through here, but we're gonna have to pop it out, all right? Because we're gonna have to feed this through, probably here, and connect it to the this piece right here. And then, of course, we're going to put our battery on there. That's basically it right there. That's how it works. All right, let's go ahead and put this thing together.